If you start your Kia Sportage and the infotainment system won't turn on, it might be due to a blown fuse. It's a common culprit for electrical issues like this. In this video, I'm going to show you the location of the fuse for the infotainment system and how you can replace the fuse. Before opening the fuse box, turn off the engine. The fuse for the infotainment system is located inside the passenger compartment fuse box on the driver's side. Simply open the door and look at the side of the dashboard. Grab the handle and pull it towards you to remove the cover. Now on the back of the fuse box cover, you will find a diagram that shows you all the fuses for different systems of your vehicle. Look for the fuse labeled multimedia. It should be clearly marked. Once you have pinpointed the location of the fuse, carefully remove the fuse using a pair of needle nose pliers. You can also use a fuse puller that is available in the engine compartment fuse box. Now take a close look at the fuse to see if it's blown. Observe the metal strip inside the fuse. If the fuse is bad, the metal strip will be broken. You can also use a multimeter to perform a conductivity test on the fuse. If the fuse is bad, don't worry, simply replace it with a fuse of the same amperage rating. The infotainment system uses 15 amp fuse. Kia Sportage comes with spare fuses that are available in the engine compartment fuse box. If you don't have a spare fuse on hand, you can pull out a 15 amp spare fuse from the fuse box and replace the infotainment system fuse. Make sure the new fuse is securely in place. Once you have replaced the fuse, go ahead and test the infotainment system to see if it powers on. And there you have it. A quick and easy fix for a non-responsive infotainment system in your Kia Sportage. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WheelsJoint for more automotive tips and tutorials.